Hello everyone, my name is Arthur Dayton and I will be your instructor for managing the database environment this semester, spring of 2016. Purpose of this video is to just get you started with how to access our course outline and get you familiar with beginning to use the Oracle Apex database application that we're going to be spending time utilizing as part of the course this semester. So you can see here that I am inside of Blackboard and I have clicked the syllabus link, and you can see we have course outline instructions, a link to our course outline application, and then of course a syllabus document which has some of the information you need about assignments and grading scheme we're going to use this semester. So in order to access the course outline application, you're going to click this course outline application link, and that will bring you to a login page where the username will be syllabus and the password will be syllabus. And when you log in, you should see three tabs across the top of the application. The first one will be the course outline report, which really has a week by week breakdown of our lecture and reading material, as well as pointing out when assignments and other important things are due. So it'll be important to check back here on a regular basis as I add things as we go along in the semester. But most of what we're going to be doing this semester should already be here, save for a couple of things I'll be adding as we go along. Over on the right hand side here, you'll see that we have this lecture column, and this is really referring to the second tab in our application, which is all of the available recorded lectures that we have, and most of these will be Dr. Walcott and the information that, or the lectures he's put together for this course, and then I will be adding in some lectures at the relevant points as we go along here in the semester. Particularly next week, this Oracle Apex line, I'll be putting in a lecture that explains what you need to do here. The third tab you'll see here is the workspace assignments, and this will be important for this first week because I'm going to ask you to go out and sign into your student workspace on our Oracle Apex instance here. So you'll see there's a table down at the bottom of this page which should have an entry for everyone in the class, and you'll see that there's a workspace name, user, and password for each of you. And up top here there's this workspace login URL, which is where you're going to use that information. And what I'm going to want you to do is actually log into this workspace to make sure that you can, and also to change a couple of attributes on the user when you log in. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So I'm going to click on this workspace login URL, and it's going to take me to a login page. I know that my particular workspace user was student 1, or my workspace was student 1, my username was student admin 1, and then everybody's password starts off being reset this. So I'm going to type that in and click login and tell Firefox I don't need it. And the first thing it should do is ask you to reset your password when you come in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And then I'm going to enter a new password. And after I do that, it will actually want me to re-log into the application. So I'll click this return button, and then I will enter the new password that I just entered into that form. And providing I remembered what I just entered there, it will log me into my Oracle Application Express workspace, which we'll be using throughout the semester for some of our assignments and also ultimately for our final project. Now what I'm going to want you to do when you log in here, you should see this administration icon over here. I want you to click on that, and then I want you to click on this manage users and groups, And when you do that, you should see in your environments probably only the student admin and whatever number it was assigned to you. What I want you to do is click on this edit link, and then I want you to change this email address, first name, and last name fields. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And after you do that, just go ahead and click the Apply Changes button and just say OK when it asks you if you're sure about that. Oh, you can see mine is a little bit mad at me here. It's asking about this accessible schemas, and for whatever reason it's substituting in that syllabus password. What we're going to do is actually type in I'm going to type in student 1 here, and whatever your workspace name is what you'll type in here as well. So after I do that, I'm going to click Apply Changes, and now the application is happy with me, and you can go ahead and feel free to play around in the workspace and get maybe familiar with how to move around in here. But at that point you will have accomplished everything I need you to do this week. If you have any troubles at all logging in or changing these attributes like I've asked you to, please feel free to contact me either at my email or Skype or any of the avenues I've given you in the Blackboard page to get in touch with me. I will be checking at the end of this week that everybody has done this task, and I would expect everybody have this done before the beginning of next week. So that's it for this week. I look forward to having a good semester with everyone, and hopefully we'll learn lots about managing the database environment this semester.